strangest creatures that you have not heard about: a vampire gazelle, a flying snake, a bearded punishment, and other Western creatures share the human life on Earth. And through this space we get to know the strangest creatures that share life. 1. Bergamasco Shepherd Dog. The origin of this type of dog is the frozen alpine, and has adapted to the very cold atmosphere, so she owned this massive fur over her skin. 2. Ancoli Watosi. This animal with huge horns has lived in Africa for thousands of years, and it uses its horns for defense and cooling, and each one can weigh up to 45 kilograms, and the distance between the two ends reaches 2.5 meters. 3. The Antelope Sega. One of the endangered species of antelope inhabiting the Eurasian steppe, including Mongolia and Mongolia, is characterized by its strange nose, which helps to filter the dust raised by the flocks while it is running. 4. Chinese deer. He is called the vampire deer because of his prominent canines, which he uses in battles. 5. Bearded punishment. These beautiful birds inhabit Everest, the Himalayas, and other mountain regions of Europe and Asia. Most of them were eliminated because people were afraid to attack lambs and children, and now, they are estimated to number 10,000 birds worldwide. 6. The long-necked east turtle. Turtle with the expressive name can be found all over Australia, and its neck has a length of more than 29 centimeters. 7. Suriname frog. It is native to South America, and the female lays eggs when she and her male partner capsize in the water, where the male fertilizes the eggs and places them in the female's back. Then the eggs grow and develop directly into small frogs, unlike other types of frogs that pass through the hatching stage. Baby frogs graduated from the skin of her mother's back after the 10th week. 8. Flying snake. It spreads in East Asia, India and Sri Lanka, and its length is not more than 90 centimeters, and this snake has the ability to climb smooth logs of trees without effort, and it has the ability to move between branches and across gaps up to 1.5 meters in a way similar to jumping. It wraps a body and then unites it suddenly. He runs through those gaps like spring, which does not fly at first sight, but it spreads the ribs of a particle to the sides, and the body becomes concave like a parasol that slows down from falling, and so it slips quietly for a reasonable distance until it lands on a new branch. 9. A cat with an annular tail. From the raccoon family, he lives in the arid regions of North America, and is easy to find. 10. The mole with astral nose. Small animals weighing not more than 50 grams, live in shallow tunnels in the wetlands of most northeastern United States and eastern Canada, and prey underwater and underwater as well. Most are blind. It can detect its prey through the precise electric fields emitted from it. 11. Ai. One of the species of lemurs lives in Madagascar, a creature with rodent-like teeth that it uses to make small holes in trees and then uses its tiny fingers to pull the larva out. 12. Greenock. Greenock is a word from the Somali language that means neck giraffe. Greenock can stand on its hind legs. 13. Monkey snub the nose. It is found in Asia, at heights of up to 4,700 feet, and rarely monitored these prickly nose primate. 14. Gavial crocodile. From the crocodile family, it is 6 meters long and weighs about 160 kilograms. Known for fishing, depending on its precise mouth, its numbers decreased to 2% of the previous numbers due to overfishing by humans. 15. Low landslide. It is found only in the rainforests of Madagascar, a strange creature somewhat similar to porcupine. The thorns on the animal's back have a defensive function, and are also used in communication, where feathers produce a faint sound when they move, and these animals have learned to talk to each other through this sound. 16. Laying the sheet. It is found in Madagascar, with a leaf-shaped tail, and has an enormous ability to hide among the thick forest leaves.